Just wanted to pop in here and let you know that I am going to be running a business review and planning workshop on December 16th of 2022. So, this podcast is coming out before Friday, and I want you to sign up for Masters and come to this 2-hour workshop on Friday. It will be recorded and it comes with 2 workbooks. There's one that's just for reviewing the year, which you'd use at the end of every year. And the second one is a planning workbook, which will have you setting your annual goals, your quarterly goals, your monthly goal, your weekly goals, and then your daily to-do list. And it is designed to be reused every 90 days. And so join Masters. You'll get both of those workbooks. You can come live for the workshop, which will be so much fun, December 16th, 9 a.m. Pacific, noon Eastern. But if you're hearing this after December 16th, then I want you to join Masters anyway and carve out 2 hours sometime on your calendar. Watch this workshop, fill out your workbooks, and I promise you this will completely change how you're doing business. No more feeling frazzled, no more feeling guilty, no more sitting down at your desk and swirling around in drama and not knowing what to work on. There will still be some drama, but at least you can go, I do know what to work on when I come back to peace and stop having drama. So join me in Masters, sign up, get this workshop. It is such a valuable tool. You can download the planner, you can keep that forever and use it as many times as you want. So it is absolutely worth it. I would love to see you on Friday. Have a blessed day.